Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue our series PHP from scratch, and also we are going to continue dealing with strings, and also we are going to continue with encryption. Last time we stopped here, and I said I'm going to create a loop to loop through all of these hash logs or logs, sorry, to print to see how it works. Let's try it now. So here I'm going to place horizontal line, and I'm going to use the for each. I'm going to take this one, hash logs, place it here as $sign value, and curly brackets closing it, and then here I want to echo the value first thing, then echo the tag br, and it's self closed, and now I'm going to use the function to get the encryption. I will use hash. This one I'm gonna copy it, echo, but I have to change this one to be the value, and here semicolon, and also I will give it a name. Just because I will need also to get the length, so I will give this one a name, d equals the hash, and here I will say I will need another break line, and here I will say echo strlen of d. Want to get the length of the hash text, and finally I'm going to need this one, horizontal line. So now let's run it. Now. So this string is done by using the MD2 algorithm, and this one by MD5. And as you see, this is 32 characters, MD5 also 32 characters, and SHA-1 40 characters, SHA-224 56 characters, SHA-25 and 256 64 characters. Here you have many, some of them 128 characters, 128 characters. So it's a very strong encryption, and so on. Even it doesn't matter if it's one word, if it's one letter, you also will get the 1 to 8 characters, like here, as you can see, 1 to 8 characters. Some giving you 40. Of course, you don't need to memorize all of these, because they are just methods. So now I'm gonna get it back, and as I said before, this way of encryption is only one way. You can encrypt a text or a string, but you cannot decrypt it. There is no way to decrypt this string, for example, to get the password text. This is, at least officially, means PHP doesn't have any function that will do that for you. But however, how secure is this? For example, MD5, this one. Actually, it's not secure. It's not very secure. Let's try it here. This is the MD5. I want to show you something here. This is the MD5. Some people did something that may break this algorithm. that will let you get the reverse or the decrypted string from this string. Let's see that. Here I'm going to this website. You can see the URL there, hashcrack.com, and let's place the MD5 string here and submit. As you can see, it's saying bingo, found it, and this is my original text password. But did they really break the algorithm of MD5? Let's try something here. If I'm going to place here 1 and this is going to be 0 and save it, run it. I have to do it from here because I'm going to take this one. Let's try now if it's going to be able to get me the original string or not. Let's try it. Oh, hash not found. So why it was able to bring me the first one but not the second? Actually, what these people did is what they created a big database that has all the words in English, maybe all the words or the dictionary words in English, and they place the word and its MD5 equivalent in a database. So when you go to such a site, they actually searching the database against the MD5. The MD5, not against the words. Once they found the MD5, they give you the word. This is why they cannot place all the words in the word. This one is not dictionary word, so they were not able to get it, and this is how we could do something about it. So you as a programmer, what you should do in this case, MD5 is not very secure, SHA-1 is not very secure also. So what to do? As a programmer, you have to be careful about this point. If I were you, I will make just I will mix them together. I will mix the hashing and MD5 together. For example, here instead of saying MD5 of A, I will say SHA-1 of MD5. So I'm doing 2 encryption, not 1. This is just an idea. I'm doing 2 encryption, not just 1. I'm using the MD5 and I'm using the SHA-1. Also, I can use this function here, the hash, to get another level of security, encrypting 3 times. Yeah, this is one method. Another method is, for example, you want to get 40 characters or 30 characters. You can just combine them together. For example, I take the last 5 characters from SHA-256 and the first 5 from SHA-224 and 10 characters from MD4 and so on and so forth, and I mix them together to get a very strong password, as strong as possible. This is the idea. This is how you should do it. Don't just use one function, MD5, and that's it, or SHA-1 and that's it. No, mix them together in a way you can, as I said, you can create your own. You see, so mix them together to get a new way of encrypting, a string. This is maybe the best way to do it, is to do it that way. And always remember that never ever place a password in your database as is. You have to encrypt it. And also in cookies and in session. And now I think you got the idea already. So I say to you, thank you very much for watching my videos, and have a nice day. Talk to you soon.